Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. It's been a long time, but as I had promised, we will be waxing and threading our eyebrows. Not exactly threading, but waxing our eyebrows and upper lips. I mean, we'll try. I think I just did it once or twice. I mean a year back, but honestly it takes a lot of time to do that because obviously we don't regularly do this, so it takes a lot of time because I haven't done my eyebrows since I think it's been almost 4 months. And I mean, I was just tweezing it at home, nothing else, but I haven't done professionally, I mean, since 4 months. And somehow I don't know, when I used to do on a regular basis, it grew so fast, and now it's been like 4 months and it's not grown that much. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying, but I don't know, somehow the growth is not that much as it used to be when I used to do regular threading. I mean, I used to do my eyebrows once a month depending, because I do eye looks and I like a sharp brow. So anyways, today's video is gonna be all that. And I mean, it's been a very long time since I've recorded a video. I am not sure when this video will be up, but anyways, we'll start with threading. And before starting, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. And I mean, I enjoyed the time that I was not making videos. I mean, it was not entertaining. Obviously I was at home, everything has started, but everything is open here in Dubai. But I mean, the mall, shopping malls, everything, and even I think the salons are open, but I am not sure whether they can actually do the brows waxing and all that stuff. I think they can only do something related to hair. I'm honestly not sure, but I'm not very comfortable going to a salon till now. I mean, I'm not that comfortable going, so I'm just ignoring it for the time being. Anyways, I got this machine last year from Amazon. I think till last year it was Souk, but I got this from there. I think I got it for 100 dirhams or less than that. It came in a box. I got the machine and I got 4 bags of hard wax with it. So these are the bags of hard wax. So they are like, I'm not sure how much they are, but I got 4 bags of these. And honestly, I had used 1 bag and there was something left inside, and I added the other bag, so it became this color. I mean, green and pink made the yellow color. So we are going to use this. And I had actually got the sticks as well. I mean, these were not the thin ones. I got the bigger ones because I couldn't find actually the thin ones. Now maybe I might find it on Amazon, but I got these ones because the thin was not available at that time. So I've just made these. I've done that with a scissor. I've just done this, and then I actually broke it in 2 pieces. I mean, it's not that great. I mean, these sticks are also not that very good quality, but it doesn't really matter. But I mean, if it is thin, it can easily be, I mean, it will be easy to do my brows rather than using the thick ones. I mean, if I use this and if the wax falls on my eyebrows, I mean, I will have a huge bald spot. So anyways, we'll do that. And obviously you can do threading and you can do shaving. I usually do threading. I go to the salon and do the threading, my upper lips as well as eyebrows. I mean, my upper lips is also too much, I know. I'm very sure you must have seen, but I think I'm not gonna do the shaving part now because I mean, I have little bit of peach fuzz. I mean, not little, I mean a lot, because I am a hairy person. So I have a lot, and I somehow don't know, but my skin is breaking out a lot. I don't really know why. It's very hot and humid in Dubai right now. I mean, it's very, very hot, so I'm honestly not sure. So firstly, I'm just going to outline my eyebrows just a little bit, not too much, because I want to just have an idea of how much I need to actually wax my eyebrows. So I'm just going to obviously just outline, and I'm using my foolproof. I'm very sure I won't be able to do it really properly because somehow I don't know why do we have hairs even here on top of the lids. I mean, it's not that great, and people who have unibrow, I mean, it's kind of difficult to do. I mean, not difficult, but it is an added step. Anyways, now we will actually heat the wax machine. It's on now. I don't know whether you can see, but the light has switched on. Now we will wait for a couple of minutes so that the wax will start heating up, and then we'll actually start using the wax. I'm actually very scared to do, not scared, but I am not sure how the upper lips is gonna turn out, because I mean, it's not like that I have just little bit of hairs here. I have on the entire, I have a mustache, so pulling the wax by itself, by ourselves, I mean, it gets a little bit difficult. Okay guys, so the wax is actually heating up. It's taking actually a lot of time, but I'm not keeping it on high, I'm keeping it on medium because I don't want it to burn. So now let's just remove the extras, and then we'll start doing the waxing part. So for that, I'm going to take a scissor which is like this in a curve, and I'm just going to take a spoolie, and I'm just going to brush the hair upwards. So the hair which is grown a lot, I'll just trim that part. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair that I can, you know, trim it like that, but I mean, I have a lot of hair around my eyebrows also that needs to be cleaned. So that is the major issue for me actually, and I'm just going to cut whatever I feel I don't want. I mean, that is actually what I usually do. I will start with the waxing part. At one place, I'm just going to do max of 2 times, because I mean, it's a sensitive area, so I don't want to get any rashes. I'm just trying this. I mean, it's not necessary that it has to be 100%. I mean, I am not sure it is going to be 100%. I mean, this all this actually makes it messy. So first of all, I'm going to do my unibrow. I'm not sure whether you can see. I think you can see. Actually works, but this is a hard wax. This is a hard wax, so you don't actually need any other strips to do the waxing. You actually have to put it on your skin and then just remove it. This is actually how it works. And once it gets a little bit cold, I mean, this is so messy. Now I'm just going to pull it. Oh my god, there is so much of hair. Can you see that? Ew. I mean, that's actually too much. I mean, guys, please don't judge me for waxing. I mean, I'm not a professional, and it's okay. It's actually very hot, and it's actually like 6:30 that I'm sitting to do my video. Wow. I mean, it really pulled out from the roots, and I mean, can you see how much hair do I have in my unibrow? So now actually I am very happy with the unibrow area. Now I'm going to pull it against the hair a lot. I mean, if you want to try something at home, but just be careful, you don't want to put, I mean, it shouldn't be very hot, and you don't want to hurt yourself. But I mean, it's good if you want to try out something. I mean, once you get good at it, I think you can obviously do it at home and not waste a lot of money at the salon here as well, because I mean, I have a lot. That, I mean, can you see how much hair has come out? I mean, it actually works well. I mean, it's actually clean. I mean, I'm really liking it. Nice. I mean, this size of the stick is better rather than the thick one. I mean, that gets a bit difficult. I'm just going to do this part. Now I'm going to do this front part. Just going to let it cool, and once you know that it's cooled, you can actually pull it off. I mean, last year when I had got this machine, I mean, I was not sure actually how to use it. That is why I was not really able to do. But now I think I know properly how to do it, so it's easy for me. But I mean, it takes a lot of time, no doubt. But I mean, you can do it. I mean, I still have to do my other eye and my upper lips. Other eye I'll do it off camera, but upper lips will do here. I mean, this one hair is honestly not ready to come out. I am very happy how clean it's looking. I mean, can you see the difference? Obviously you can see the difference. It was like this and now it's actually pretty clean, so I'm happy that I can actually do it at home, not go to the salon for doing that. But I'm worried about the upper lips and not the eyebrows, because I mean, this is a bit thick. So now for the upper lips, let's go. One, two. Not a lot of comes out because I mean, I'm sweating a lot, maybe even that's why. I mean, there is a lot. I mean, it works very well, but I mean, I have so much of mustache, so much. I'm just going to try once more because I mean, it's been like 3 times since I've done that, and it's kind of not itching, but I mean, it's hurting a little bit, and I don't want to have any breakouts there, so I'm just going to try once more. I mean, you can see a lot of hair. I mean, still there is a lot. I mean, but I mean, can you see how red it got? Because I usually don't do my eyebrows. I mean, I don't wax it, I do threading, so it doesn't get this much red. And I mean, they don't take a lot of time. I mean, they just do it once or twice and they are actually done at the salon. But I mean, it's getting too red. Now I'm just going to do my other eye and the upper lip off camera, and I'll be right back, and then I'll show you. But I am very happy with the eyebrow result. I mean, it's pretty good and I'm really liking it, because I mean, I want my eyebrows to be clean because I do different eye looks, so that is why I want it to be clean. So I'm very happy with the eye look, but upper lips not that much. So I mean, it's actually hurting. So I'll just be back. I'll do the other eye off camera and I'll be back, and then I'll honestly tell you whether you actually need this or not. So anyway, still now I'm actually happy. I mean, obviously I have this, so I'm happy about it, but not for the upper lip. For the eyebrows it's pretty good, but I mean, if you have a lot of hair, I mean, it will get, I mean, you have to do it a lot, and it's actually very hot. Anyways, I'll just be back. So guys, I finished the other eye as well. I did my upper lips. I mean, I could do my upper lips as well, but I mean, I had to repeat it a lot because it doesn't actually come out in just one go. If you don't have a lot of upper lip hairs, I mean, it will take less time, but I mean, I have a lot, so I actually had to do like three times, and I mean, it is pretty good. I mean, if you want to actually do it at home, I mean, it's actually very easy. But just for eyebrows also, I mean, this part is really well cleaned, so I mean, I'm actually liking a lot, and I did it so many times. That is why my eyebrow area and my upper lips is so red. Usually I don't do waxing for my eyebrows. I actually don't even wax my eyebrows. I just do threading, so it doesn't actually get this much red. But I mean, I repeated the steps, I mean, a lot of times, and it took like almost half an hour to do that. If you go to salon, it actually doesn't take a lot of time, but I mean, it really took a lot of time. But I'm actually happy with the result. I am not at all really impressed, but the only thing is, you want to use so thin sticks for your eyebrows. I mean, the thinnest the strip is, I mean, it would be very easy to do your eyebrows. I mean, just for upper lips I used a little bit thicker because the area is a bit thicker, but for my eyebrows, I mean, even this area is, I mean, it is sensitive. I mean, you don't want your wax to stick to your eyebrow hairs or your eyelashes. I mean, that would be a total mess. You will have bald spots. Just use a thin stick. I mean, you might get thinner sticks. I couldn't find the thinner ones, but if you get even thinner than this, just use that for your eyebrows and for your, I mean, it would be seriously better to use a thinner strip rather than a thick one. I mean, this much thick is better for your upper lips, but for eyebrows use a thinner one. And that's actually, I mean, that's actually all. And I mean, it's a little bit stinging because I did it a lot of times, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of ice on top of it so it gets a little bit better. And actually now I'm ready to do my makeup videos because I actually wanted to do this before doing my makeup, so I'm actually ready now to do my makeup. Obviously I'm not going to do it now, but I'm just saying now I'm actually ready to do my makeup videos. And actually I can now do my eyebrows and upper lips at home. You actually tend to waste a lot of wax while doing this because I mean, once you get pro at it, I mean, you won't waste a lot of wax. But I mean, if you are just beginning and doing this yourself, I mean, you will waste a lot of wax. But I mean, once you get used to it, I mean, you won't waste a lot of wax. I mean, obviously I will go to salon to do my eyebrows and upper lips once everything gets better, but for now I think this is a better option for me because I don't really need to go out. And if I run out of the wax, I can obviously order it from Amazon. I got this wax kit from Amazon. I'm going to link everything in the description below. So I mean, there is a lot of options. There is a cheaper, I mean, you will get these things for a cheaper one and for a pricier point. So I mean, just read the reviews before ordering something. And I mean, these are hard wax, so you actually don't need the paper strips to remove for doing your wax. So I mean, you just need this, the stick and the heater to heat your wax. So that is actually all, and I'm actually very impressed by the waxing kit. I mean, I had it for a year, but now actually I started using it and I'm going to keep using it. I think once in a while, if you need something to do at home and if you don't have time to go out, you can actually use this, and it is pretty good. And I think if you keep using it, I mean, you will get a hang of it and you can do it much faster. You are actually doing it now. So I mean, so anyways guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what kind of new videos you want to see. Let me know whether you actually wax your eyebrows and upper lips at home, what technique you use. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.